Hi, this is the CHEPARK Tubeless Sealant Kit. Our kit includes rim tape that comes in 3 different sizes: 25mm, 30mm, and 35mm. Our kit also includes a 120ml bottle of sealant, a sealant hose, as well as a valve stem which comes in 3 sizes: 40mm, 60mm, and 80mm, as well as our valve stem core remover tool. The CHEPARK Tubeless Sealant has a very special compound which allows it to work effectively from low pressure to very high pressure tires. When we arrive at the end of our wrap, the triple compound material allows us to only require wrapping the wheel one time. We need to overlap the tape at the end by a few centimeters, and then we can complete our tape installation. While doing this, we need to make sure that the tape is pushed down with a lot of pressure here at the end to make sure that the tape is seated along the hook properly and that there is no air bubbles under the tape. The next step in our installation process, now that we've installed the tape properly, is installing our valve stem. First, we'll need to locate the valve stem hole on the rim. On the inside of the rim, we can push down extra hard on the tape just to locate the hole. Then we can use our hole punch just to punch a hole in the tape. Now we can take our valve stem and remove the cap, remove the nut and the rubber O-ring as well. Now we can just insert the valve stem through the hole. Now we need to make sure that the shape of the valve stem, the rectangle shape, lines up with the internal width of the rim and it's compressed all the way down. Now we can reinstall our rubber O-ring onto the valve stem and then our nut. It's important to note that the one side of the nut is slightly recessed to make room for the rubber O-ring. So it has to be installed in this direction. And then we just twist that on snugly. And we can reinstall our cap and we're ready to go. Now that we have our tire installed on the rim properly, we need to put the sealant into the tire. So first we need to remove our stem cap, and we can use our stem core remover to remove the core. Once we have the core removed, we need to make sure that we shake our sealant well before we use it. So we'll give it a good shake and remove the top. Now we can take our hose and put this onto the top of the bottle. Now that we've removed the valve stem core and we've given the bottle of sealant a good shake, and we've also installed the hose onto the top of the bottle, we can now connect the hose to the valve stem. Once the hose is connected to the valve stem, we can now add 30 milliliters of liquid to the rim for road bikes. If it was a mountain bike, we'd be adding 60 milliliter of liquid. We need to cut. Now that we've completed reinstalling the valve stem and we've inflated the tire to the proper pressure, we now need to just gently rotate the tire in order for the sealant to be distributed evenly throughout the wheel, like this. So now we'll use our hole puncher here to puncture the tire and watch the sealant operate in action here. So first we'll try to puncture our tire. Okay. We'll remove the hole punch. And then we'll stop and check our hole here. And we're good.